ऑस्पे में रखते हैं और इस किस्म के वेपन के बारे में सवाल होता है कि आइडेंटिफाई द वेपन एंड व्हाट आर द इंजरीज और वुंड्स प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय दिस वेपन। तो उसका जवाब ये होगा कि दिस इज नाइफ, इट कैन कॉज इंसाइज वुंड एंड स्टेप वुंड। ठीक है, उसके बाद दिस इज कॉल्ड एज बनू नाइफ। बनू का कोई है? कोई तो हो सकता है। इससे घास काटते हैं और गंदम वगैरह की फसल ये सिर्फ बनू में नहीं, सदरन डिस्ट्रिक्ट में तकरीबन हर जगह, लेकिन ये बनू का नाम जो है बदनाम है। तो इट कैन कॉज इंसाइड वुंड एंड इट कैन कॉज अ स्टेप वुंड इफ इट इज थ्रस्ट इनटू द बॉडी ऑफ द पर्सन। तो बस इसको आइडेंटिफाई करना है। दिस इज डैगर हैविंग खंजर है, इट हैज बोथ द एंड्स शार्प, लेकिन इस वक्त अरेस्टेड है तो, लेकिन है ये डैगर। इट कैन कॉज इंसाइड वुंड, इट कैन कॉज, इट इज स्पेशली मेंट फॉर स्टैबिंग। दिस इज द हैवी, दिस इज करपान चॉपर। ठीक है, इट कैन cause chop lacerations, heavy cutting of this, इस तरह एक्स भी heavy cutting है, ये chopper भी, hatchet भी, बेलचा वगैरह ये सारे heavy cutting of this. It can cause a cut laceration or a chop laceration. It can cause an elevated fracture in the skull bone. ठीक है, it can cause any comminuted fracture as well. जरूरी नहीं ये chopper है ये। This is X, ये क्या है? कुल्हाड़ा। And it can cause, for example, a cut laceration. It can cause a an incision if it is short and is drawn on the skin. और इस साइड पे blunt trauma भी हो सकता है। ठीक, so it is likely to cause a chop or a cut laceration and elevated fracture in the skull bone. This is hammer. It can cause any blunt trauma, abrasion, bruise, laceration, and a depressed fracture in the skull bone. बाकी क्या रहता है? ये आइस पे क्या, ये सरिया है लेकिन इसको which has been designed to break block of the ice. तो ये आइस पे क्या, it can cause blunt trauma if a person has a blow is given on the side. It can cause a stab wound. ठीक है, ये भी नाइफ है। ये these are two this is a wooden club, लकड़ी का डंडा, which can cause abrasion, bruise, laceration. This is shotgun, this is rifled weapon. So you must know the relevant question के rifle क्या होता है, shotgun। So rifle shotgun has got a smooth barrel. It has the rifle has got ridges and grooves, lengths and grooves. ठीक है, फिर इसके पार्ट्स अक्सर के आइडेंटिफाई एंड इन्यूमरेटेड पार्ट्स। तो ये बट है मिसाल के तौर पर, ये ट्रिगर है, ये ट्रिगर गार्ड है, ये बोल्ट है, चैम्बर है, वो बैरल है। तो इसके पार्ट्स आपको आने चाहिए। ये जो है दिस इज अ कार्ट्रिज ऑफ शॉटगन, SG कारतूस है। ठीक है, ये इट इज यूज्ड इन रिपीटर्स ऑफ शॉटगन। You can see it has got a base which is formed of some alloy and a gunpowder. This black is the gunpowder, and this is the in between this white compressed part this is the weight which is separating the gunpowder from the pellets, and the pellets are the projectiles which are rounded in shape, and there may be buckshots and there may be bird shots. Buckshots are they are larger like this, having a diameter of usually 3 to 6 millimeter, and they are used for killing human beings. But bird shots are smaller in size and they are much more in number, used for the purpose of hunting. This is the base, this is the rim, the rim. Base, there is a circular area on the base which is called this is called the primer. The primer has got very sensitive metals, and if it is struck by the trigger, by the pin of the striking pin of the trigger, So what will happen? It will produce an indent inside the primer, and the metal will get ignited, and a flash will be produced. The flash will pass through just a card which has been perforated by many foramini, which are called as flash holes. So the flame will pass through the flash holes. It will ignite. The flame will ignite the gunpowder. There will be detonation, gases, energy production, gases will be produced, and those gases, energy, flame, and each and everything will push the weight forward, and the weight in turn will push the pellets to come out of the shotgun with quite high velocity. And ये process है. So this is the rim is in order to withdraw the. After being fired, it is withdrawn from the chamber. So, and this is the gunpowder, this black ring, and this is the weight, and these are the buckshots, and this is the terminal cover, which prevent the coming out of all these structure outside. So these pellets up to 1 yard they usually form a single wound. After 1 yard then they diverge slightly with the distance or with the time when they are traveling, and this weight can go up to 2 yards. This weight can enter the body within 2 yards. But if the range is more than 2 yards, then it is unlikely for this weight to be present inside the body. Okay? Then after 1 yard, the formula is when you see the pellets injury have been scattered over an area of 9 inches. So it means that the range of fire is 9 yards because the dispersion is 1 inch per 1 yard. After 1 yard, there is a dispersion of 1 yard per 1 inch per 1 yard. So if the pellets injury there have been scattered in 8 inches, it will be the range will be 8 yards. 12 inches obviously, or 1 foot, it will be 12 yards. So that is the formula how to determine the in a fully choked weapon. In a fully choked gun, उसमें semi choked भी होते हैं, unchoked भी होते हैं. This is a formula which has been meant for only in the guns which are fully choked. यही चीज़ें बाकी जो क्वेरी है कि क्वेश्चन इसी के बारे में आपको अवेलेबल नहीं होगा और बाकी थ्योरी में भी उसका जो उसकी रेलेवेंट थ्योरी होगा उसमें भी कैसे पता चले कैसे इसमें तो मच्छरदानी
غدي هاي خلي بيكتشر وبس دا غدي دا سدي شوتغان رايفل